Hi guys, so I'm gonna introduce my bears and my siblings' bears. So guys, this is Madison the mermaid. So this is where his face. So this is Pom Pom, and this is Pinky. This is so cute. This is Pinky, and this is Cassie the Kuromi, and this is her twins, Kati. And this is Dana, and this is Barry, and this is Sharky, and this is Bocho, this is Bulldog, and this is where that my auntie give us. So they have more. Yeah, I'm gonna give this to my sister, Kati. Bye bye, guys.